the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua inaenda mbio sana. Mbio sana. Kulingana na utaratibu ambao watu wanafaa kufuata wakati wa impeachment, kuna baadhi ya vitu ambavyo kulingana na mimi nimeona bunge wameruka vitu zingine. When the impeachment imefanyika, of course imeisha, appointing the new person to take over from Rigathi Gachagua, kuna some things ambazo zinaangaliwa kwa undani. I mean this. Yes, they voted Gachagua akakuwa impeached yesterday, akiwa mgonjwa, akiwa hospitali. Up to this moment, the only person who is supposed to update the country about the condition of the Rigathi Gachagua is the President of the Republic of Kenya. Since yesterday, the President hajasema kitu chochote kuhusu the DP, the condition of the Deputy President, because we have seen some leaders, Kalonzo Musyoka, telling Kenyans that Gachagua is not feeling well. I've heard from Kimani Ngujiri, the former member of parliament, Nakuru West. But let me say what I wanted to say here about the new appointee, the new deputy president, Kithure Kindiki, professor. The law states very well that if one must be that if you want to be in an elective position or a post, if you want to be in an elective post, then you must be a member of a political party at least in 3 months. Kama unataka kuwa kiongozi hapa nchini Kenya, lazima uwe ndani ya chama, uwe kwenye chama at least miezi 3. My question is Kithure Kindiki a member of UDA? Yes or no? But if I take you back to 2022, when we were heading to the elections, when Kithure Kindiki and Gachagua were fighting to get this position of the deputy president. After Gachagua was awarded as the deputy president, Kithure Kindiki himself, he said on his social media platforms that he has resigned from active politics until further notice. That means he did not join any party. The former UDA Secretary General of the party, Cleophas Malala, amesema kwamba vile yeye amekuwa kwenye chama kama Secretary General, Kithure Kindiki hajakuwa kama mwanachama. You see? He has never been in that position as in any party. And the second thing is that, yes, of course, Kindiki has been awarded, he has been appointed as the new deputy president. But my question is, have you seen any resignation letter from CS Kindiki resigning from office as the CS for the Interior? Yes or no? So, where is he now? Is Kindiki a CS for Interior or the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya? Who has seen the resignation letter from Kindiki? Who has the letter from Kindiki? Huyo Kindiki wenyu ameresign kutoka kwa ofisi kama CS ama anashikilia CS na deputy president, because you can't hold two public offices at the same time. It is unlawful. If you want to be the deputy president and then resign from being the CS for Interior. But again, hata Kindiki yeye mwenyewe, he understands the law very well. That's why haja resign. Kindiki amekuwa lecturer wa law miaka mingi. Kindiki aliwakilisha the president and the former president at Hague kule sijui ile kesi ya Ruto na Uhuru. Yeye ndiye aliwawakilisha. He understands very well. So his speed ambayo serikali inakimbia mbio, labda ndio manake sometimes imechanganya Kindiki kutoresign kutoka kwa ofisi ya kuwa Interior aingie kama deputy president. Because if he resigns and tomorrow the court upholds, court ikatae kwamba Kindiki hiyo nafasi amepewa si nzuri ama akashawa, the impeachment haikuchukua vizuri ama haikwenda vizuri, Gachagua the deputy president, you know what will happen? Kitu itafanyika ni hii, na Kindiki atakuwa jobless. That is right now haujaona resignation letter from Kindiki until kila kitu imekuwa vizuri. Number 3, before the parliament iweze kuapprove Kindiki as the new deputy president, lazima kungefanyika public participation. Public participation ingefanyika ili Wakenya watoe maoni yao, lakini haukukufanyika public participation. This means that wanaharakisha, wanaruka vitu zingine za muhimu. And that's why Gachagua amekimbia kotini. He has a court order. Have seen kutoka Karugoya law courts. Some people have gone there and the court declared that Kindiki hajapewa hiyo nafasi vizuri, hajapea hiyo nafasi kuwa as the deputy president, bado hawajafikia vile pengere ambavyo wanastahili kufanya. And that's why we ask his syllabus musilete mbio sana, punguza speed, reduce the speed, otherwise ndio hayo kwa sasa.